Hey y'all, welcome back to DSouthernLady, and this is Lavish Maintenance. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated nighttime skin routine. Yes, this is the finished skin. Looking silky, looking like glass skin, looking healthy, looking moist, lips looking plump. Okay. Now let's get the products. Let's go over here to the collection. First, I'm getting my toner, my Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner from First Aid Beauty. Then we're going to get my serum. Let's see which one I'm going to get. Looks like I'm getting the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is good if you add an oil to it too. Good trick. Okay, let's get our moisturizer. Okay, I'm getting the Gold Fatten MD Plant Profusion Night Cream. And the serum, the oil I'm going to use, is the Deep Serum Noto Face and Neck Serum. It's really an oil, but it says serum. All right, let's get my eye cream. Let's see which one I'm going to use. We're going to get the Dr. Brandt's eye cream for wrinkles and dark circles and puffiness. Definitely need that. Okay. And for the lips, we're going to use the Pericone MD Cold Therapy Plasma Lip Treatment. And these are all the products. Let's do it. All right, child. I'm just getting out the shower. Give me a minute. Let me get myself together. Woo! Okay. Now I'm back. Let's go. Okay, we got to cover these edges up. Okay, because we don't want no product getting in our hair. Let me get this together. Lord. Hey, say a little prayer. Yes. Amen. Amen. Let's go. Now that toner feels so good on my skin. I love how this toner feels. Serum time. And this serum is kind of thick, but it mixed so well with other products. I love this serum. Look at the skin. And I ain't even finished. Look at that glow. All right, time for the moisturizer. Girl, I'm almost out. Ooh, I love this moisturizer. I'm probably gonna have to get another one. It's so thick and creamy. Look how it just dissolves in the skin. I just love that cream. It's really, really thick, but once you rub it in, it's light. It's not as thick on the skin as you would think when you look at it. All right, time for this eye cream. Now at nighttime, I like to use thick eye creams. In the morning time, I use lighter ones. And I put it right there where that line is, honey, where them bags is. And I just pat it in. right up under them eyes, honey. I don't play about my eye cream. Feels so good. Pat, pat, pat. Now rub the excess on top of my eyes. All right, time for the oil. I love this oil because it's light. It doesn't have a strong smell, and it's good for the face and the neck. It's a very thin oil, and a little bit goes a long way. You don't really need that much. Watch this. Look at that. Skin. Baby, I take it all the way down my décolleté. Okay. Pat, pat, pat. I put the rest of that oil on my hands. Now let's get these lips together. This lip balm, it's like a lip oil, but in a chapstick form. It's so good. Look at this. Look at my lips. Love it. Yes, I love that lip treatment. And it smells like cocoa butter. I love it. Yes. All right, that's it, y'all. Now I'm gonna get ready to carry my butt to bed. Cause baby, Miss Mama's had a long day. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please come again. Like and subscribe and share the video. Thank y'all. Have a good one.